So you want to know exactly what it is that comes in your full sale Lunchbox for the Digital Cinematography online course. Well, today I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all of the things that you're going to get in your Lunchbox for 2024 and potentially on. Because the FX6 is the camera kit that you will be getting for your online course. So let's get to it. This is the Sony FX6 kit, straight from Full Sail University. In this kit comes a 24-105 f4G lens from Sony. On top of that, you get the top handle, you get the monitor, and you get the side handle. Along with this kit, which we'll be unboxing in a little bit, is the Portra brace bag. You'll get a bag to house your FX6 and all of the other things that come with it. So let's get to the other things. On top of your FX6 kit, you get some accessories. You get the Sony ECVG1 shotgun mic, and you also get the Sony MDR7506 monitoring headphones. You get the XLR cable, you get a mobile hub, which you can plug USB, USB-C, and extra SD cards, and you get a white balance card. Do not throw this away for those of you guys who are just starting. This is an important item in your box. And lastly but not least, you get the Sony Tough 64 gig SD card. This one reads up to 300 megabytes per second and transfers and writes at up to 299 megabytes per second. And you might be wondering, all right, there's a lot more other things in this kit, but I just wanted to get to the good stuff. You get a tripod and you get some GVM lights. What you guys are really here for is the Sony. So let's unbox it. All right, so let's get it. All right, so you get the 24-105, which is an f4 Sony G lens. This comes with the side handle. This is the monitor hood. You get the battery charger and the AC adapter. The top handle. The FX6. Now let's build this thing. And that's the kit. For all you future students who want to go to Digital Cinematography online courses with Full Sail, the FX6 Sony Media Kit is exactly what you're going to be getting. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, you already know what to do.